Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Yakshi. Let's look at today's top headlines. HC attaches salary of State Health Secretary as hospitals unpaid despite Ayushman Bharat funds release. The Punjab and Haryana High Court, while hearing pleas from several hospitals in Punjab over unpaid dues under the Ayushman Bharat scheme, has attached the salaries of senior officials, including the state's principal secretary of the health department, until October 16 due to their failure to release the pending funds. Let an affidavit be filed by the state government of Punjab giving the details of the payments that have been made against the bill since 30th of December 2021 to 24th of September 2024, along with the date on which such payments was released, within a period of 2 weeks from today. The salaries of Kumar Rahul, IAS Principal Secretary, Department of Health, Ms. Babita, Chief Executive Officer, Deepak, Director, and Ms. Sharanjeet Kaur, Deputy Director, State Health Agency, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Punjab, shall remain attached till the next date of hearing, ordered the HC bench. This court also tentatively records that there is no satisfactory explanation put forth before the court as to why, despite the funds having been received from the Government of India, the payments have been not released in favor of the petitioner's hospitals, as to under what circumstances. This court also tentatively records that there is no satisfactory explanation put forth before this court as to why, despite the funds having been received from the Government of India, the payments have not been released in favor of the petitioner hospital, as to under what circumstances the state government could have been withheld the said amount once it had been received from the Government of India against verified bills and for further remittance to the empaneled hospitals, noted Justice Vinod Bhardwaj. It was observed by the court that ordinarily any such action would have been called for stern orders against the erring officials who misdirected the funds and diverted it for unauthorized use. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogue. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.